this video I'm going to show you Xociety Airdrop for all of you, totally free, and 7.7.5 million dollar fund they have, and Throug is investor and couple of investor you are seeing here, and a lot of great investor invested inside of this project. So whatever this project is still rising their funding, but you don't need to see those type of things just to do participate. Okay, whatever that thing is, okay, it's nothing cost you, and it has potentials for you to getting something in the to making money from this airdrop. Okay, so what you need to do in order to join in this airdrop, and the link already free for you and not prevent you to join in this offer, because inside of internet it's like you have a freedom. Okay, so you don't need to go anywhere anything and anywhere else. It's totally free. You need to have MetaMask, you need to have Twitter, Discord, and complete simple task. Okay, for doing this task, very simple, nothing complicated. I don't want to make a complicated video like others YouTuber make. Nothing complicated, easy. If you do participate 1 to 3 months, it will be easy to you. Okay, so click on this link, and that link will bring you inside of here. Okay, sorry, inside of this page. So what you need to do first, this page is their interface is connect your wallet. Okay, so just immediately do click on connect your wallet. But it is taking a little bit time because it did refresh. Okay, so click on this connect wallet, and here is a couple of options would be pop up. MetaMask included other options for you, so recommended is MetaMask for doing connect, because it is most using wallet in the crypto space in the world. Okay, anyhow, we are just doing participate in this airdrop through MetaMask, and we need to connect Discord, Twitter, and so on and so forth. So while you create your MetaMask, at that time MetaMask did want from you a password. So put your password on there, and every time while you go into MetaMask, and that password is needed. Okay, required. Okay, so click this next options. Everything is pretty much simple, because those who did participate before airdrop, they know more about airdrop. Okay, so after connecting properly, I'm come backing. Okay, because I don't want to waste your time. So I tried different wallet to connect, and I get my connect with Rabi wallet, just same wallet that I use on MetaMask. And if you freak out with connecting your wallet, use different way. Okay, like if MetaMask doesn't work here, use another wallet. OKX has a Rabi wallet, like over 400 wallet has inside of this website. So after after joining, after connecting your wallet with their website, what you need to do is just accomplish, execute all of tasks that they provided. Okay, so first click on this check in, and your wallet would be get notified. Okay, just click on confirm. Okay, over and over again, and yeah, your work has been done. Okay, so if I do again it has been done. If I do back, let me show you that this work has been done. It is check mark. Okay, so get my referral link. If you want to get it, you get it. Okay, connect your Twitter here, and while you click on that connect Twitter, and that link will bring you inside of the connect your Twitter, and that link will bring you inside of the authorized page, where has Twitter and this website interface, and they will be bind in that interface. Okay, just click authorize, and automatically it will be bind each other. Okay, your Twitter will be connected with Xociety website, and that is after doing that, they will track you that every Twitter task either you done or not, and based on that task they will recognize you that are you perfect for eligible for that airdrop or not. So here is that authentication page is going to be open. So wait a minute here. I'm showing you what is the interface looks like. So it is gradually opening. Maybe it takes slightly time because I'm over again and said that I'm inside of my room, and therefore it is doing this problem. Okay, never be freak out. Always greedy about helping you more about different thing, especially in airdrop space. So anyhow, come back in very soon. So after doing that, after connecting your Twitter, your wallet, so this interface will be pop up. Go to follow them on Twitter and follow Xociety, like whatever they have that they need to do into anywhere else. It could be Twitter or Discord, doesn't matter. So here is they provide you Twitter task, a lot of Twitter tasks, like very funny pictures include Xociety Snap. So very funny video like this type of task that's suitable for you. Just to do those tasks, you don't need that mass serious way. Just I will recommend you as much as you can do. Okay, that will be better for you. So here is connect email, go to the post in edit profile, go to the YouTube, go to Medium, connect Discord, and your work has been done. Nothing complicated, okay, but work is so much there. Okay, this is the task. First, what you need to do, come through that link that I provided, and after what you need to do is connect your Twitter and done all sort of Twitter tasks as well as any others else task to done. Okay, and this is the task, and this is the Xociety airdrop task. It's a Xociety airdrop Xociety Testnet. Nothing about blockchain, just more they're just wanting to more engaged with their community, and that's it, because they need more follower and more audience. So this is the task that is ultimate airdrop about Xociety. So if you don't find this link, come into my Telegram, every video's description box, check out, you will get this channel's description, you will get this channel's link. Okay, walk through that link, and here you can join appropriate way. Okay, so this is the video. See you later.